Hey guys, welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video here showing you guys my process on how I went from being red into green. As you can see here, my profits is $57.74. Today is September 1st, 2020. So let me just show my trades, just to break it down so you can see what I did here. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is crazy. This is pretty much over trading at its finest. I was actually pretty up in the morning, and then we had this huge dip getting me back into the negative. So what I did was I pretty much tried to get myself out of it, get myself out of the red, being down like almost $150 or so, and I just pretty much traded my way back up into the green today. This is something you want to try to avoid, because over trading is pretty much, it's something that it will happen ever so often, but because I know how to trade, I can actually get myself out of it. However, if you're still struggling out there and you feel like once you overtrade and then you're still digging yourself into a deeper hole, you should just know when to stop. So I just want to break it down here for you. So usually, this is Amazon, by the way, so it's ticker symbol AMZN, and we can see that we had the highs today of 35.13. The chart itself was pretty sideways, it wasn't uptrending or it wasn't downtrending. We can see that it's pretty sideways, it's pretty good to trade on days like this. Unless it's an uptrend, then you can actually just get in and then get out as you wish. So yeah, for my first trade here, we had this bounce that happened. I got in here and then I sold out here, so 91, and then sold out 92. Took a trade here, 20 shares. It ended up being a really bad trade. Honestly, I was only up like $10 or something like that. And I took my second trade here when I got in, and that's when things just started going down south. So I got in here. I got in here at the top of this candle right here. You can see 3,500, and then I sold out. So there's where I sold, and here's where I actually bought in. The bounce actually didn't confirm for it to continue uptrending like it did over here. So it was just a result of me being impatient. So that's what pretty much happened. And you just got to know when to be a little more patient. When the bounce actually happens, then you can get in and then get out. This is just my style of trading. So it's scalp trading, as you can see. And again, I usually don't take all this trade, because I don't do this at all. It's just you try to not overtrade as much as you can. Like I said before, it usually happens, and because I know how to trade, I can get myself out of anything. So yeah, and I'm not gonna break down each and every single trade, because it's something that you have to get used to. It's just my style of trading, like I said before. So usually I get in and then I get out. So every time I do that, I would just get myself out of the hole that I dug myself into previously, which would have been 150, 175 negative on the day, and then coming out on the day $57.74 profit. So it's not about the profits, it's about the process. So once you understand this process, you can clearly see that you can go from red to green. Just be as patient as you can and be honest with yourself, because you need to understand that, listen, if you can trade, it's fine. It takes time to learn. Don't overtrade, and don't try to go in all in, even if you got to take one share at a time or 2 shares at a time, whatever, just so you get used to it. That's what I would actually advise that you do. So if you take a look here at /NQ, you can see that it's still making all-time highs. This market is it's just crazy. It just keep going up, and we are pretty much waiting on some sort of pullback, but it's just we don't know where this is going to end up. We don't know how high this is gonna go. So for traders like us, we love markets like this. Obviously, when it becomes a bearish market, we also can adjust and try to get more profits out of it. So let me know in the comment section down below. So how did you guys actually do today? Hopefully you didn't do as bad as me. You didn't overtrade like this. Hopefully it wasn't that crazy. And yeah, hopefully you got some profits. You didn't lose any money. Again, it's all about the process, not the profits. So yeah, just let me know in the comment section how you did, and hopefully you have a nice day. And that's gonna be my video, guys. If you like this video, smash that like button, notification bell, subscribe, and all that good stuff, man. You know what to do, man. This is YouTube, man. You know what to do. Peace.